Hi, Sanjay. We're happy to have you here to talk about AI and the AI strategy overall. Do you mind just starting off by introducing yourself, your title, where you work, etc.?
Yeah, I'm Sanjay Agrawal. I am prior CIO of the Avery Dennison. I played the CIO, interim CIO role for the Lincoln Property Company, and currently I'm providing the advisory digital services to the Inogen company. So all the three places is a completely different. My background is more on the industrial manufacturing, and uh, and later on the finance transformations.
Okay. Across those three companies, you said they're very different. Are you seeing a different AI focus?
Oh yes, yes.
Talk that a bit.
Every Dennison, they are label manufacturer.
Yep.
The label that goes on the garment, then manufactured by Every Dennison. You think about that as a small use case, a washing instruction label that goes inside the garment. Before it get on the garment, that goes through the thousands of the washes to ensure that quality is good, and that company invests hundreds of $1 million in washing against the electricity and water cost. So now what we did that we created a LML model, predictive model, so that we can put the composition of the ink, composition of the garment, and together it gives the prediction that the wash test will be success or not. So we could be able to reduce a wash test through the AI model substantially and saved hundreds plus million of dollar for the cost.
Wow.
Yeah. Similarly for the Lincoln property. After that, I worked where we have done with the help of Trinamix. We have implemented Documenta tool, which helped us to extend the content of the contract and transform the master data. Right. And currently at the Inogen, we are looking forward how we can extract the data, and once the data extracted, how we can create a predictive model so that we can do the device diagnostic automatically and reduce our rework cost.
How, at these three different companies, are you deciding which projects to prioritize from an AI perspective?
I think it's a very common thing is the finding the right use cases, which has the right which is solving the right business problem and provides the right outcome in terms of the how it is improving the either one customer satisfaction, or or finally it result into revenue uplift or save the cost for the company. That will basically save the overall EBIT for the organization.
Makes sense. Thank you so much for sharing your thoughts today. We really appreciate it.
Thank you so much.